अशें आयकूंक येयलां की इंडिको रेमिडीज ही कंपनी फक्त गोंया भायल्या लोकांक जॉब दिवंक सोदता आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक ती जॉब दिना. हेजेर तुमकां कितें म्हणचें आसा?
चोय आमी सद्दां झगडटात गोंयचे पासत आनी गोंयकारा पासत. असेंब्लीन हांवें एक रेजोल्युशन मूव केल्लो, प्रायवेट मेंबर रेजोल्युशन, की कायदो फ्रेमवर्क हाडपा जाय आमगे गोंयकारां प्रोटेक्ट करपाक. हांव तो विडियो आतां वाजयतलो आनी दाखयतलो तुमकां.
Industrial estate to earn revenues. Still you give them all financial benefits. I have no problem about it. We need to encourage industry. But if industry is encouraged to bring others to work, then it will be at the loss of our children who are studying or getting qualified, end up getting no jobs. I am moving this resolution, which reads, this House unanimously resolves to urge the government to introduce a comprehensive legislative framework to establish robust laws to monitor and create a fair and just working environment, protect livelihoods of Goans, ensure transparency with clear guidelines and procedures, and protect employees' rights. Honorable Speaker, आमी सद्दां म्हणटात that we must do the best so that our people who are running without employment should get employment. आतां हांव एक provision वाचतां तुमकां, कित्याक always it is said that under this compulsory notification of vacancies under this employment exchange, there is a provision which I was telling yesterday. Under section 4(2), it reads, the appropriate government may by notification in the official gazette require that from such date as may be specified in the notification, the employer in every establishment in private sector or every establishment pertaining to any class or category of establishments in private sector shall, before filling up any vacancy in any employment in that establishment, notify that vacancy to such employment as may be prescribed, employment exchanges as may be prescribed, and the employer shall thereupon comply with such requisition. But please note there is another provision there. Nothing in subsection 1 and 2 shall be deemed to impose any obligation upon any employer to recruit any person through the employment exchange to fill any vacancy merely because that vacancy has been notified under any of those subsections. So what this comes to is, I am not asking that you make it compulsory to make the employment, compulsory to notify the vacancies. At least amge burgyan chance hai. You may not employ at the end because this is a clear provision of the section, but at least our people get a chance to know when there are vacancies and openings in a particular company and they can apply. I hope you are understanding this. At least notification. Log pautle bedara. You see what is happening is, out of Goa. They are holding camps and fairs outside Goa. And our children are not even knowing about these things. They put advertisement upon data and then they are raising issues. So this is what, because I know the industry will get up in arms and shout. Second part is, we are giving land from IDC without an auction. We are giving them as special privileges with special concessions. Why can you not, when you are giving these lands, put a precondition that in certain types of jobs, I am not saying all the jobs, that at least you should reserve, let us say 50% or 75% for, like how we would call class 4 employees, for that type of jobs for our locals, because it is a bargaining power. You are setting up industrial estates for providing jobs to our people. You are providing industrial estate to earn revenues. Still you give them all financial benefits. I have no problem about it. We need to encourage industry. But if industry is encouraged to bring others to work, then it will be at the loss of our children who are studying or getting qualified, end up getting no jobs. If you remember, Speaker Sir, there was a time आमचे भुरगे electronic city म्हणटाले, then the people would work in Vedna Industrial Estate, get a certificate, थोडपाटी hotline वचून get a certificate of experience, बोटी रोयताले, भायर रोयताले. Today our people are not getting this kind of opportunities. So this is our request, that we must bring something to protect these people. At least, I am not saying 100% because 100% will be unconstitutional. So at least 75% if they can be brought, and we can protect our people.
सांगला तर इन फ्युचर कॉन्करंट लिस्टात येयल्ल्या कारणान कितें जर ताका एडिशनल अमेंडमेंट करपाक जाय आसत जाल्यार आमची करपाची तयारी आसा, म्हणून ते रिक्वेस्ट कालू सरकारी फाटी घेवचे.
Honorable Speaker, आमकां आश्वासन दिला की ते employment exchange bill will be amended, but it is a central law. unless you get concurrence of the President of India, this law cannot be made law. So you have to take this bill over there, ring pass kelyan kain ashna 2-3 वर्सात. Second, the central laws which are coming in by consolidating all the acts will be central laws, nothing Goa specific. What you can do now is Goa IDC can be amended because industries is with you under state list 2, and factories and boilers come under concurrent list. So when it is industries is with you and you have brought in industrial law, even land is under entry 18 of list 2 with you. Therefore you're giving the land, that's what I pointed out. You can amend that and you can bring the provision. I'm not saying about the other establishments outside. I know the controversies which will arise. But I'm not asking even the government, nor will I make foolish suggestions, put it and get yourself burnt. No. What I'm saying, what you can do is what is within your jurisdiction. That is what we are demanding you do it. At least first step you protect in the industrial areas which can be done. Even otherwise, whatever you may have the powers under list 2 of industries which can be subsequently brought in, that you can defer later. But this amendment, why should you not bring it?
स्पीकर सर इन फ्युचर जो आसा पळय न्ही एकदा हे आफ्टर द मार्च 25 इम्प्लिमेंट जाल्या उपरांत आमी डेफिनेटली हेजो रिगार्डिंग द IDC आनी हेजो ताजो विचार करपाक शकता म्हणून म्हजी रिक्वेस्ट आसा ताका तांच्यांनी फाटी घेवचें.
Sir, they late that before March 2025 we have to do an amendment now. 2025 रावले it will be so सांगत ते भाशेन draconian.
स्पीकर
Postmortem
सर
जाताले
आत्ताच्या घडीक म्हाका दिसता
हे टाइम म्हळ्यार पोस्टमॉर्टम जातले सगळे आहाय तितले
आत्ताच्या
मतले
घडीक खूब बेगीन जातले स्पीकर सर.
नेमदार कितें ना गेले
No, we are not taking back. We'll go
Division
for
mark division.
We'll go in for a voting and we'll say division.
आता हांव श्री कालू श्रीरामचो थाराव सभाघराच्या मतदानात घालता. जांकां हो थाराव मान्य आसा ताणें आपल्या जाग्यार उबे रावचें. उबे आशिल्ले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
कितले आहाय आमी
जाका मान्य ना ताणें उबे रावचें. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 23 by 7. Yes, wasn't yet.
आनी आमी सगळे ऑपोजिशन एकठांय रावले आनी मुगे रेजोल्युशन आमी सपोर्ट केले ऑपोजिशनान म्हूण सरकारान आमचो रेजोल्युशन डिफीट केलो. म्हणलोले सरकाराक नाका आमगे लोकांक नोकरी दिवपाक, आमगे लोकांक चान्स मेळपाक नोकरीक. आमी सगळे फॅसिलिटी दितात कंपनीक. कित्याक आमी इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट कोत्तात? कित्याक लोकांक आशा आहा आमी जमीन दितले, आमी फॅसिलिटी एक्सटेंड कोतले आनी आमगे लोकांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळटलो. म्हणून तुमी हाडटात जाल्यार कंपनी आनी तुमगेल्या गांवच्या लोकांक हिंग हाडटात आनी भायले लोकांक हाडटात आनी आमचे गोंयकाराचे लायफ काबार कोत्तात. कित्याक तांकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट ना तेन्ना कोण कबूल आन्सर करपाक? फकत कंपनी न्ही, सरकार पासून आसा. कित्याक सरकारान सामकें म्हणलें जाल्यार एक सर्क्युलर इशू केल्यार आमगे गोंयकाराक घे म्हूण, हांव म्हणना 100% बट 80% घे म्हूण आमच्यान करूंक जाता. पूण सरकाराक खुशी ना, सरकाराक मोन उयना आनी सरकार हांव चॅलेंज कोत्ता, ही BJP सरकार आसा ते सद्दां आमचे गोंयकाराचे विरोध कोत्ता. पळय तूं सगळे की चलत ते गोंया आमगे गोंयकारा फावर केन्ना करनात ते. सगळे भायले येतात, बिझनस कोत्तात, बिझनस चलयतात आनी तूं आनी हांव केन्ना बिजनस करूंक गेले जाल्यार हें एप्लिकेशन तें एप्लिकेशन हें परमिशन तें परमिशन 2-3 वर्सां आमी परमिशनू मागपाक भोंवतात म्हूण दुसरे येतात 2 म्हयन्यान 3 म्हयन्यान सगळे बिजनस करतात आनी चलयतात. आतां पळय ते फुडें फाटीं कितें जालें तें एक्सायज एक रेड जाल्लो राजस्थानाक सोन एक क्रिमिनल धरलो आनी तो क्रिमिनलीन गोंयांत 3 लिकर शॉप आशिल्ले. तूं आनी हांव लिकर शॉप उक्ती करून वयतात जाल्यार एक्सायज परमीट मेळपाक सोरो विकपाक प्रॉब्लम जाता. हांव जाणा पासून इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान फकत वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट न्ही दुसरी इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान सगळे भायले लोक हाडटात तेणे घातात थिंगा. मॅनेजर कोण आसता तेन्ना वो सुपरवायझर कोण आसा तो एक गांवाचो तो तेगे भुरग्यां हाडटा आनी आमचे गोंयकार हूंय वतात. आमगे गोंयकार पेजेक लायतात ते आनी हे फॉल्ट सरकाराचो आनी हुंयचो सरकार गोंयचो सरकार. तुमकां याद आसतलें की काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लो तेन्ना सगळे भुरगे इलेक्ट्रॉनीक सिटी म्हणटाले थिंग वेर्ना वयताले इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटां वयताले नोकरी मेळटाले कितले सर्टिफिकेट घेवन दुसरे जॉबा वयताले नाजाल्यार बोटीर वयताले नाजाल्यार भायर वयताले. आयज कितें जालें आमच्या भुरग्यांक रस्त्यार पडलो आहात आनी पळय क्रायम वाडटा ता म्हणटात. आयज 2 दीस फाटीं आमी आयकलां सायबर हें म्हण एक भुरगो फोंड्या सायडीन सुइसायड गेला कित्याक ऑनलायन गॅमलींग करतालो म्हणून. कितें बेकार आसा तो पयशे करूंक सोदता. जॉब आहा जाल्यार जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी ना आमच्या भुरग्यांक. सो हांव परत रिपीट करता हो गुन्यांव सरकाराचो.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.